Hi guys, this is an Archer Mission, me, Thomas, and Tango Kiddie ride with 3 rides. Ready? There we go. You'll know it's mute, but I'll do it anyway. This is basically in a hotel. Remember Marge Mitchell in 1995? Yeah. Oh. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll put £1 in. Because there's a vending machine over there that I got pound coins with. So lucky that worked for me. The road display still works. Completely fine. Yeah, I'm going to do 3 rides on this one today. Because I am. Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm going to press this about 3, 2, 1. Go. Second ride. The duration on this ride is about 1 minute and 5 seconds, I believe. I think it's on the timer, that's all. The duration of this ride. I think the buttons still do. I think the buttons still do work. I believe. Yeah, the flashing light still works, if you can see. So it still works. That's the back of it. I love this ride. It's a shame it's still mute. I'll just film anyway with 3 rides. I do really love this ride. I don't know why I got about 10p's in my hand. I'm gonna get rid of them though. I promise. It's completely mute, sadly, of course. 3, 2, 1. Go. Last ride. Should play the theme song. I think they turned the sound off on purpose, I believe. So this is mute. I'll say you're a really useful engine. I need you to help me with your engines. Ooh. Shh. Yeah, I think it's mute, sadly. Unfortunately. Yeah, there's also a John Roach comic which I might film at Dre Manor today. Also, if it's still there. Which I'm gonna hope. I really hope. To be honest. There's a stop button there. I'm only recording this for 3 rides in case of the storage. If you may notice. There's Thomas's face there. Yeah, that was me, Thomas, about Archie Mitchell.